Hi, my name's Mitchell. I work for Alien Gear Holsters. I work in the tooling department. One of the things that we do over here is we work on all the injection molds. Right now I'm currently working on the Springfield XD 3.3. To ensure quality, I'm doing preventative maintenance on these molds. So I'm just basically double checking for any defects, any scratches, making sure everything is in working order. Our molds are what we use to shoot the material into to make our ShapeShift holsters. So I've been here for the last 4 years. I've started out in production as a mentor, went on to tech position, fixing all the equipment involved in production. Then look what I'm doing now. I am working on all these awesome tools, which is a super fun job. A lot of detail, a lot of fun people to work with, great boss, good times. Again, my name's Mitchell. I am an everyday carry kind of guy, and I am an Alien Gear ShapeShift Modular Holster fan. So definitely want to try out one of these products if you haven't yet.